All right, welcome back. I'm my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is G. Basically, this channel is to document my journey from $0 in profit to 100K in profit. I haven't been posting for about 2 weeks now, so I'm just gonna do one video to cover my FTMO, my SP 500 strategy updates, and my live account. Okay, let's get straight to if I'm in profit total or I'm in loss. Okay. So this spreadsheet I'm showing you guys here, if you guys have been following me, I already did 5 FTMO challenges, and then I still have 2 running, okay? So as of right now, I'm negative 3,243 for FTMO. That might seem like a lot, and it is a lot, but if you know that once you get your account, and if I just hit one good trade of $5,000, and I get a 70% split, basically I'll get my money back, because once the 7th and 8th account, if they both hit, or not the 7th, 8th, the 6th and the 7th account hits a profit, then I'll basically be able to get my money back, which is the 600 on top of what I'll be profiting. Okay, so as of right now, my FTMO, I'm $5,000 in profit during my challenge, and right now I have a trade running, but I'll show you guys the charts of that in a little bit. My SP500, I closed it in profit of $2,000 or $1,958, and I did a withdrawal of $1,000, which I'll show you guys in a little bit as well. My moving averages strategy, I'm currently up $630, so my total profit right now is negative 654, so it's in my loss. But like I said, once I hit the FTMO, then I'll be able to ramp up my profits even faster, because I'll be able to have more capital to trade with. But if I just to eliminate FTMO, then I'll be profit with my S&P 500 and moving average strategy. But as of right now, the S&P 500 strategy is one of my favorite strategy, because it's very easy to do, less work. I only check it at 5 or 3:03 p.m. Pacific time for like 2, 3, 4 minutes. And yeah, so let me show you guys first of all my FTMO account, and then my S&P, then moving average. So I'm not gonna show my other FTMO account, because right there, that one's still just one trade running. I'm not in profit or in loss. Right now it's in negative like $2,000 to $3,000 equity, so there's not much to view. So I'll show you guys my current S&P 500 FTMO account that I'm using. I'm using the short-term trading, so I'm using the H4 to trade. So once I saw price came and hit the moving average here, I missed it. I was gonna enter after this strong candle closed, but then I missed it. So that's why I just waited for this one to close to see if it was a strong or a green candle, and it was a green candle. And then my take profit is just a little bit above here. The reason I put the take profit here is just because I only need 4,500 left to be able to pass my challenge. So I just put that under there. My stop loss is just under this candle. As of right now, if I entered on this one, like I said, I would have been able to already hit my $4,500 in profit, but then I missed it, but it's okay. I'm looking for it to go back up. If it hits my stop loss, then I'm just going to wait for another entry. But right now, you can see I'm up $5,000 on my challenge. This is not a real count. This is my FTMO account. And hopefully by today, or I don't know, even a couple of days, it'll be able to hit my take profit here. So I started on January, March, April, May 22nd, or April 22nd. This account has been running for about 2 weeks. So that's where that's at, and I hope this will be passing this month. But let's go to my S&P 500 account. So I started with $4,000, and then I closed it at $2,000 profit, and I took out $1,000. And I have a trade running right now as well, and up $200. I'm just gonna let this one run and see where it goes. Here we go. This is the trade. So stop loss, I just put it. This is a long-term trading, so I just put the stop loss low below this peak right here. I'm just gonna let it run and see where it closes. When I close this trade right here, profit $2,000. Let me see. So 421, 421, 421. This one was closed. So the reason I closed it was when the candle here, I put a stop loss under this one. So this candle right here knocked me out, and then I entered again. 21, yeah. So right when this one closed, It's knocking me out, and then that's why I think I entered right here in this one. Let me see, the 422. Yeah. So I'm looking for it to ride up again, but that's the update on this one. My first time withdrawing $1,000, even pay myself in Forex. The reason why I withdrew from this one, but not from my live account, which my other live account with my long-term moving average strategy. Reason being is because with this S&P 500, it's kind of more closer to guaranteed making money, so I can take out profit, and I'm more stress-free. I'm more confident with this strategy than my other moving average strategy. So that's why I pulled out $1,000 after I profited the 2K. But we'll see where the end of this year ends, and hopefully I'm in profit with this one. But I'm pretty confident because I already went back and did some back testing. Yeah, so that's the update with this one. First time taking a $1,000 withdrawal, feels great. So let's go check on my live account. With this account right here, this is the one that I've been updating you guys. So basically, the last time I updated was when I lost the $2,000 here. And I said it's okay because as the strategy goes on, it'll be okay. Euro CHF right here, you see the 28.27. When I was trying to click edit my lot size, I accidentally clicked a buy. It was crazy. I was negative about 1,000 or 2,000 because it was such a big lot size. It had a little bit of a pullback, and then I'm like, oh man, it needs to go back up. So right when it went to just negative 100, I just closed it. So negative 122. So now whenever I'm going to click the buy or sell, edit my lot size, I'm going to be very careful. So that was a $122 lesson. But you can see I entered again with the correct lot size after that one closed. And then I won 372. If I didn't do this mistake, I would have been up. I would have never did that loss, but it's okay. It's just a learning experience. Just be more careful. And then Euro GBP on April 28th, I took it. And then it took about 2 days for it to hit profit, which 428. So about that week, I was up just starting from the 15 to the 28, about $600 up right there. But as of right now, with this account, I started with 12,600 and I'm at 13,230. I don't count my equities until it's closed, so I don't consider it as a loss or a win until it closes. So I'm up about $600. So right now, the only thing that's negative is FTMO. But the reason why I'm not winning with FTMO and I'm losing the challenge is because there's a deadline and there's a profit target. So I'm kind of rushing the strategy. So it takes a little, or it's a little harder because it's not exactly the strategy I'm doing. But my S&P 500 and my moving averages so far are in profit. So everything's looking good. Only negative $600 in total trading Forex. So I'm hoping this week I'll be able to pass with my FTMO challenge and then go to my verification and get my live account and get a good trade, okay? So that's about it. Thank you guys all for watching. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe, the like, so that I can get these videos out more to you guys and show you guys my journey and hopefully help you guys become a profitable trader as well, okay? So thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you guys next time.